Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Maya, and I just wanted to make a quick video on how to customize your iOS 14 homepage. Now, it's very quick and easy, but of course, you're going to want to style it your own way. So, here are a few tips on how to do that. So before you start customizing, I would suggest to get these apps. You're going to want to get somewhere where you could get high quality images, and for me that is Pinterest. Then you're going to want to get color widgets and Widgetsmith. Now you're going to go to the app shortcuts. It's already installed in your phone, so it might be on your home page, or just search it. Once you go to it, then you're going to create a new shortcut, which should have a plus sign on the top right. Click on that and it's going to ask you for an action. Click on that again and you're going to search open app. You'll see where it says open app. Click on that and then you'll be able to choose whatever app you would like to use it for to open. That can be Twitter, Instagram, or whatever you may choose. So it's going to take you back to the shortcuts homepage, and you're going to want to click on the three dots that is inside of your shortcuts. It's going to take you to another page where you'll click on the three dots on the top right side. It's going to take you to where you see on the left hand side of this video, and you're going to want to click on add to homepage. Once you do that, you're going to click on the icon that I circled, choose the photo that you would like, and then you're all set. Using color widgets, you can go to any template because it'll let you customize the text and the font and the background. Once you choose your photo for the background, you're going to set it as a widget. And after you're done doing that, you're going to go to your home page and add it on. It will give you the option to add it as, a small or a medium or a large. I like the medium, so I'm going to set it as that and it will be right on your home page. Lastly, before you use Widgetsmith, you're going to want to choose the photo that you would like to add to your home page and create a new photo album. Make sure you name it because that's going to be very helpful for the next step. Now go into Widgetsmith. You can use whatever size template you would like. I did the add small, and so I'm going to go all the way to the bottom to photo album. And once you click on that, you're going to want to select the album, and I named it Love, so I'm going to click on that. And now I've set the photo that I would like to use. After I do that, I would like to rename it at the top because it's just going to be easier when you want to choose it if you have multiple widgets to use, and save it. Now after you do that, you're going to want to go to your home page and add the Widgetsmith on. You can do that by searching it, and then after you click on Widgetsmith, you can also do the template size again. I once again chose small, so I'm going to add the widget, and because I used multiple photos, I want to change what I labeled and go to the one that I want, and now it's on the page. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to help you guys out just in case you needed a little guidance. I hope that I gave you all of the steps that you do need for your awesome homepage. I had an amazing time doing this, although it took me a few hours, but it reminded me of when I would do that for MySpace and Tumblr. So shout out to Apple for bringing that back. And now I would hope to see your homepage. If you would like to show me, make sure to tweet me at LoveMayaJ. That's LoveMayaJ. Have a good day, guys.